In episode 1, we have cleared all the basics for the beginners, all the basics of the spot trading. In this episode 2, we will be analyzing a short BTC analysis. After that, we will turning to the main topics, which is how to choose best altcoins, what are the importance of the liquidity. So make sure to watch complete episode. First, let's take a look on a BTC price. BTC price is exactly going as per our last prediction. After 64k level breakout, we have seen 7% growth here. If you have taken any trade with just simple 2x leverage, then you have made 14% gain. That's how price action works. If you are following the price action, definitely trend will give you profits. Currently, BTC price is at a very important level. Huge volatility is expected. 68k level is quite good for the sellers. Sellers are activated here. We can see some good correction on the point of 68k level because 69k is our ATH, and we can see a huge momentum at this point. So make sure to add stop losses in every opened trades. On Telegram channel, I have shared one update on XAI coin. Here we go, XAI breakdown level update. Price is struggling at breakdown point. If we see any sharp selling at current support, price will free flow till 1.2223 magnet level. Here we go, this was our chart 1.3600. It was a market level of XAI, and now we can see a drop down from this level to this level. 10% drop has been made in XAI. You can get free trades on Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is given in the video's description. Simply have to go and click and join the Telegram channel for the free live trade setups. Also, I shared BTC update and XAI. So many altcoin setups have been posted. Visit the Telegram channel and grab the updates of the altcoin. Now let's turn to the next important topic. What is liquidity? How good liquidity coin will give you good profits? In XAI, if you go with the 4-hour chart, there are many less weeks in the coin. There is only 1 week that has made, and apart from that 1 week, we cannot see any other big week. If less weeks are there, it means coin has good strength, coin has good buyers, coin has good liquidity. If good liquidity is there, many less stop loss hunts are possible. Choose your coin wisely, but you will get a perfect clear move. You will get perfect trade setup. In XAI, we can take one trade here. While we are analyzing the chart, make sure you are following first liquidity part, and after that strong support and resistance level, and third point is enter at reversal point only. In this scenario, if you go with the XAI coin, there is two parts. This one is the support and this one is the resistance point. In this case, price is looking for the reversal point here. If you want to take long position, you want to take a buy trade at the market price of 1.2900, you can go with the buy trade here because price has some good volatility at the support, and we have found the all important levels which will be important, right? Also, you can use our indicator, trend indicator, which will give you a direct buying and selling all important alerts. More information has been pinned in video's description. Simply go and check the important article related to the indicator, and you can buy this indicator and apply in your trading system. Now we are analyzing the chart without indicator, and we found one signal. We can get trade like this. It will take more time. If you have patience, then you can go with the XAI. Price is bullish at the moment. Price is successfully tested the exact support level. I can reduce your stop loss like this, and this trade setup will have 2 risk reward ratio. It means you are ready to lose 10% to gain 20%. Like this trade we have to find out, and if you are generating a 50% win rate, then you are going to have a great profits in the end. So that's why manage the risk, manage the trades, analyze the market with the price action, and choose the good liquidity coins. Then in the end definitely we will be making a good profits. In XAI we can plan our trade like this. Now apart from XAI, let's take a look on APT, how APT is giving us a good breakout, and APT can have also a good liquidity. Last resistance level is acting now as a support level. $11 price was a good resistance and is currently broken upside. Price is interacting as a support, and we can open a long position here as well. Here we go, this is our entry point. We have to take stop loss like this. Make sure your trade have at least minimum 2 risk reward ratio. Okay, now I'm opening a one trade with you in APT. How? Let me show on bitmart.com. I hope you guys are signed up on bitmart.com. Link is given in the video's description. Simply go with my link and create your account. Now I'm going to open one trade here. I have to click on the markets. After markets, I have to find out the coin. Simply go on the search tab, enter a coin name which you want to trade. Right now I want to invest only 30% from my entire balance.